So hello guys, in this video we will discuss about the problems users are facing about the Antigravity 2.0 version. As you have already seen that they have removed the terminal, they have removed the file explorer. So how you can fix this? After, like, you should come to this website and click on the select previous release, then you can come to version 1.23.2, and after coming there you download the Windows version. Mac OS also available in Linux. I have downloaded already, and I have renamed this because I have already installed the previous version. That's why I have renamed it to avoid the confusion. And later, uh, you open the app, install after installing and uninstalling the previous version. After opening the app, I will suggest you to turn off your Wi-Fi, because it will pop up the update of the anti-gravity. And after opening the app and turning off the Wi-Fi, you come to editor setting, then click on applications and then update. And after coming to this window, you deselect the Windows background update and turning off the mode to none. And after doing this, you can simply restart the ID by closing the app and opening the app again. Thank you guys. I hope it will work for you. That's it.